Hi everyone, and thank you for joining us today. I'm Alex, and I'm really excited to be introducing you to our platform Kith and our first ever video, and showing you 8 agentic applications using no code and just pure conversation to create fully agentic applications. This video will be demonstrating some of the end products you'll be able to create. We'll also do a quick overview of who I am and some of the struggles in the vibe coding space right now. I'll be talking a little bit about next steps and what this channel will be for. So firstly, a bit about me. I'm Alex, a team member and I'm a non-technical person. I don't have any sort of degrees or education within the software development space. However, I have dipped my toes into vibe coding and experienced the problems in that space, navigating areas such as cursor, coding with Claude, creating repository structures, debugging using Claude, copy and pasting back and forth. And spending hours using a methodology that was actually quite inconsistent, and I felt like I had to spend more time getting the code working than I could actually experimenting with and optimizing my application. And through this, our team wanted to come up with a way that people could build applications purely through conversation, not even have to look at the code or a repository structure. And that's what we've got right now. If you don't believe us, please click on the link in the description and you can try for free. But feel free to stick around whilst I demo some of what we've built already using our platform. Let me just pull up my showcase quickly. So here are the 8 applications that I built in less than 2 days using Kith. The link to this platform will be in the description, where you can go and take a look and play around with any of these applications a little more than we might do in this video today. But let's do a quick overview of what I built and the sort of things you can be doing using Kith. As you can see right here, there's a range of industries and use cases that I've touched on. Firstly, I've created Language Blaster. This is a language learning platform using 2 AI agents to help generate flashcards. And also we have a conversational tutor agent within the platform. How about we take a quick look and see what it looks like? So this is Language Blaster. On this side of the screen, you can see I've selected the flashcard generator, and here you also have the AI tutor. You probably won't use this conversation tutor because I will betray my poor language skills very quickly, but let's have a go generating some flashcards. So there's a range of languages you can select. These are ones that I just asked to be included during the build process with our design agent on Kith. So let's jump in with French. We'll definitely select beginner, and I think food sounds great. Okay. Excellent. So this agent has built us 10 flashcards, as you can see. I'm going to try and translate some quickly. There's obviously bread, water, milk, apple, cheese. Oh, quite good at this. And if you click on them, just like any flashcard, it will flip and you can see it translates them for you. And let's jump back to the showcase. The next application is the Sportcaster. This is just a fun sports and entertainment app that you can use to explore sport history, discuss sports of the past, contemporary sports, whatever you like. And there's 2 agents within this platform. There's a research agent and a conversational style agent. Maybe we'll open it up quickly. So here's the sport history application that I created. There's a sports commentator as well as an athlete search function. The sports commentator will let you discuss any of sport history about athletes or current goings on. You can explore and learn more about anything to do with sport across all of human history. And here's just a athlete search function. So let's just check something in for a quick demo. 20 tense search. And this application will then spin up a series of fact files about a number of athletes relevant to this event. So this is just a fun application to explore an area of interest. Great. So here we are. For the 2010s era, it's brought me athletes like LeBron James, Messi, Serena Williams, Usain Bolt, a number of their major achievements, records, biography, a whole list of interesting facts. Where they're from, what sport, anything you like. So this is really cool. And just more of fun. How about we take a look at something that's a bit more serious or work focused? This is the user story platform. This is quite software development focused. We probably won't look at it today because it's got quite a large amount of input required to get an output. But feel free to take turn with it. It basically helps you through the whole product development story as a software developer, helping you through things like navigation requirements, quality assurance standards, and technical architecture. It utilizes 3 agents concurrently to do that. So please do take a look if that is interesting to you. The next one is a proposal generator. This application, again, uses 2 agents and works by having a conversation with you about a business proposal. And then at the end of that conversation, it will create you a report based on the information that you've just been discussing with the agent. So we'll take a quick look, but we probably won't finish a conversation with it. So right here, it's a conversational agent where you can approach it with any level of business proposal, and it will help you through strategic discovery, impact and ROI, and a whole host of business level advice. You might assist to it. Okay. Right here, we've got two more sort of business focused agents. We've got a sales coach as well as a content marketing engine. These are the three agent systems. As you can see, sales coach agent helps users through a range of different issues in the sales industry. This coach them help you through different sort of simulations and give you some feedback and advice on how to approach. Let's jump in and take a look. Excellent. So in this platform, you have three areas you can use. The coach, where you can get personalized sales coaching and mentorship. You have a roleplay partner where you can prescribe scenarios and have a go at using some of your sales techniques, as well as a script generator where you can provide a sales pitch or framework that you've got already, and it will help you craft a script for pitching these sales. As you can see, you can talk through it like this, but we'll keep it on performance coach for now. Some other bits you can change on this application is things like the industry focus. And once you've selected one of these, it will funnel the conversation to be just within these areas, as well as the expertise level. Maybe you're quite new to sales. Maybe you're a sales expert. This plays a big role in the role play partner, how much pushback you get. And you can also prescribe a current area of focus. So the last two applications, you firstly got a Dungeons and Dragons application. This is just a fun gaming and entertainment app. We can open this up and take a quick look. So what we've got here is the Dungeon Master in the middle that you can communicate with, and it will lead you through a narrative that you can help direct. So you do have a bit of creative pushback if you like. On the left here is just a place where you can say your character's name, rate, statistics, and below that is the dice. So you can use these to roll dice, which then you can enter back into the chat and share with the agent and continue on with the experience you're having. Lastly is this side hustle application. This is like an entrepreneurial support system. So let's take a quick look under the hood with this one. In this application, you have access to these three specialized agents: the finance agent, the marketing expert, and the strategy expert. What you do is you'll populate this form with all of the information that you want to share with the agent, and you'll hit generate analysis. And these three individual agents will use this information to create you a report, which will populate through to here, with which you can help get some feedback and directionality to your future venture. So I hope that was interesting for you guys to see a little bit about what you can do with Kith already. And I hope it got you a bit excited and ignited some creativity if you do want to give our platform a. This will be the end of the video for today, where we've covered a quick introduction about Kith being a no-code agentic application building platform for non-technical people like myself in that vibe coder universe. In the future, you can expect videos such as build with me's, where I might try and build an application in less than 5 or 10 minutes. Videos such as how to make the most of Kith using some of our functionalities that let you optimize the agents within your platform. Of course, it's still no code. So I'm looking forward to sharing that with you. So if you enjoyed our video today and are interested in staying up to date with our developments, please do like and subscribe and share with any friends who might think you're interested. And I'll catch you in the next one.